Good morning, students. My name is Dilip Mathur and I am your math teacher of class 5. Okay. Today we will read the chapter 4. The chapter 4 name is division. That means we will read here about the division, that how can we divide the numbers. In the previous classes we have read the division by 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers. But in the class 5 we will also read about the division by 3-digit number. That means हम लोग इस क्लास में फर्स्ट क्लास में चैप्टर फर्स्ट क्लास में यही पढ़ेंगे कि हम लोग किसी भी नंबर को 3-digit नंबर से कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे. Therefore, my first topic is division by 3-digit number. Then I am taking some numbers. 7 you can look here. The number is 345234 divided by 123. That how can we divide these numbers by 123? Okay. For that, at first we will write the divisor, the dividend. That means 345234 will be here. Then after we will take the two brackets of the outside. Then after we will write the 123. That means by which we can divide. So I will write here the 123. That means इस नंबर को हमको 123 से डिवाइड करना है. इसके लिए 34534 जो नंबर है उसको हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. फिर उसके दोनों आउटसाइड एक ब्रैकेट बनाएंगे. देन आफ्टर वी विल राइट द 123 जिससे डिवाइड करना है उसको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. फिर उसके बाद देन आफ्टर वी विल look or we will decide that how can we divide it. So as we know that this is the 3-digit number, so at first we will look the first 3 digit of this number. That means the first 3 digit 3 4 5. कहने का मतलब यही है कि जब हम किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि जिस नंबर से हम डिवाइड करें वो कितना डिजिट का है. Then we will look here the number is of 3 digit 1 2 3. Then we will look here the left side of this number 1 2 3, that means 345. Then we will find out that 345 is greater than 123. Okay, so we will decide it that how many times we have to keep the divide. तो जैसे कि आपको पता चलेगा कि ये नंबर 345 है, तो इस नंबर को हम कितने टाइम में डिवाइड करेंगे कि मेरा मैक्सिमम जो नंबर कितने टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि वो नंबर 345 से थोड़ा सा कम हो. That means the number will be below the nearest of 345. Then we will decide here that 123 multiplied by 2 times we will get 246. That is the nearest 345. तो हम देखेंगे कि 123 को जब 2 टाइम्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो जो नंबर आएगा 246 आएगा और वो 345 से थोड़ा सा कम होगा. क्योंकि आफ्टर जब हम लोग 123 को 3 टाइम्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो नंबर 345 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. That's why we write here 246. Then after we will subtract it. And as you know that there is a 5, there is 6, so we can't do subtract it. Then we will take the carry from the 4. तो हम लोग 4 से carry लेते हैं. carry लेने के बाद 5 जो 15 बन जाता है. 15 को जब 6 से subtract करेंगे तो 9 आएगा. फिर हम लोग को पता है कि जैसे हम 4 से carry लेते थे ये 3 बचा था. तो as we take second carry from the 3, therefore यहाँ पे 13 होगा और 13 को जब 4 से subtract करेंगे तो ये 9 होगा. Then after here the 3 will give the carry. Then after we will add the two numbers. So 2 that is cancelled. Now as you know that we have get 99. That means this number is below than 123. Therefore we will take the number 2 up to the 4 digit. That means 2 will be here. I will write here the 2. Then after we will take, we will look that 992 is greater than 123. Now again we will think that how many times we will multiply to divide this. So as we know that 123 I will give 8 times for get 984. That is the nearest number of 992. Again we will do the similar things. When we write 984, we will subtract the number from the 992. Then we get 83. Sorry, 8. We will get 8. Then after as you know that this is the smallest number. This is the smallest value of 123. Therefore we will take a number. The 5 digit is 3, so I will write here. Then after 83 will be, but 83 is also the smallest up to the sorry. 83 is the smallest number. कहने का मतलब यह है कि जो 83 जो है वो सबसे पहला स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर भी रहेगा 123 से. इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे कि यहाँ पे इसको और बड़ा करना पड़ेगा डिवाइड देने के लिए. तो डिवाइड देने के लिए 83 को और बड़ा करना होगा क्योंकि हम एक नंबर यहाँ से ले चुके हैं. दूसरा नंबर तो हम ले नहीं सकते हैं. इसीलिए करना क्या है कि 83 जब मेरा छोटा नंबर है इसको बड़ा करना है तो एट फर्स्ट हम 0 लगा दें. जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, जब जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सपोज नंबर जो है सेम ही आता है, दैट मींस अगेन वी कैन टेक द नंबर 4 टू मेक इट ग्रेटर। दैट मींस जब जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक नंबर को हम नीचे फिर ले सकते हैं क्योंकि इसको हम बड़ा बना सकते हैं। Then after as we know that 834 is greater than 123, so we will take it, we will multiply the numbers by the 6 to get 738. Then again we will subtract the number 834 and subtract 738, we will get 96. And as we know that after this, after the 4, no number has left to give it, so it will be the divisor that means by which number I am dividing the number, dividend. That means to which number I am dividing. This is quotient. That means how many times I have divided. And this is remainder. That means what is left. कहने का मतलब है कि डिविजन उसको कहेंगे जिस नंबर से हम किसी को डिवाइड करते हैं, डिविडेंड उसको कहेंगे जिस नंबर को डिवाइड किया जाता है, क्वोशिएंट उसको कहेंगे जितने टाइम पे हम उसको डिवाइड किए हैं, एंड द रिमाइंडर इज दैट हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट हैज बीन हियर. So we will read here, we will learn here that how can we divide division of by 3-digit numbers. Now the next topic will be divisible by 4-digit number. The process will be same as a 3-digit number, but as you know that there is 4 digits, so I am taking an example to understand it better. That how can we understand it? So I am taking a number 4, 5, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, and I will divide the number by 2, 5, 6, 1. That is, this is the 4-digit number. So as you know that the dividend will be written here, and we will take two brackets outside. Thereafter the divisor that is 2561. Then as you know that there is a 4-digit number, so we will group the first 4 digits 4, 5, 3, 9, and 4, 5, 3, 9 is greater than 2561. So I will take the divisor. I will take the divide. How many times we have to take it? So as you know that there is 4-digit number, so I will take it the numbers 4, 5, 3, 9. This is 4-digit number. Then I will take that. I will multiply by the 1 because when you multiply by the 2, we will get the next largest number of 4, 5, 3, 9. So I am taking by the 1 multiply. Then as you know that when a number is multiplied by the 1, the number will be same. Therefore 2, 5, 6, 1. Then we will subtract the number. As you know that 9 minus 1 and subtract 1 is 8. 13 minus 13 subtract 6, that is 7. 14 5 subtract 5, that is 9. And 8 subtract 2 is 1. Then as you know that 1, 9, 7, 8 is the smallest from 2, 5, 6, 1. So as you know that rule that when we get here the smallest number by the divisor, we will take a number from the upper side, that is from the dividend. After, therefore I will write here the 8 number which is here, you can see here. Then the number 1, 9, 7, 8, 8 will be the greater from the 2, 5, 6, 1. Now how many times I will take it? I will multiply by the number, so that you know that this is 2. When I take multiply by the 7, and when I multiply by the 7th number, the number will get out 17927. That means when we multiply by the 7, the number will be 17927. And when we multiply by the 8, the number will be greater than this number. So I will take from the 7, and again we will subtract this number by this. So we get 8, 7, 8, 7 subtract 1, that is 1. 8 subtract 2, that is 6. 17 subtract 9 is 8. 9 subtract 7 is 1. Sorry, 8 subtract 7 is 1, and 1 is 1. Cancel. Then again we will give the 1861 is left, and this number is below than 2561. So according to the rule, we will take the next number which is in the dividend 7. We will write it. Then as you know that 1867 will be greater from this number. So again I will multiply by the 7, as you can see. By the 7 we will write here. Then after the 7 subtract 7 is 0. 11 subtract 2 is 9. 18 subtract 9 that is 6. 7 subtract 7 is cancel. 1 subtract 1 cancel. Again we get the number 690. Then according to the rule we have to take the next number 6 which is here. I will take write it, and the next number will be 6906. Then how many times I will multiply? Then you can see then 2 times we will multiply. Then you will get 5122, 5122. Then when we will subtract it, the number will be 6 subtract 2 is 4, 10 subtract 2 is 8, 8 subtract 1 is 7, and 6 subtract 5 is 1. Now, again we will see that there is no any number left has been to write here. So it will be my remainder, which is here. As you can see here, this is remainder. And as we know that this is the divisor, that is by which I divide the numbers. This is the dividend to whom I am dividing, and this is the percent, that means how many times I have divided. कहने का मतलब यही है जब किसी नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं किसी भी डिजिट नंबर से, तो सबसे पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करें वो कितना डिजिट का है। फिर हम ये देखेंगे कि डिविडेंड में उसका फर्स्ट दैट डिजिट, दैट मींस अगर ये 4 है, यहाँ पे इसका 4 डिजिट सबसे पहले चेक करेंगे। उस 4 डिजिट को एफ डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर डिवाइड करने के बाद जब ये छोटा पड़ जाए तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल हम उसके नेक्स्ट नंबर को नीचे लिख देते हैं। एज यू कैन सी, नेक्स्ट नंबर को नीचे लिखने के बाद जब वो नंबर बड़ा हो जाएगा फिर हम उसको कितना से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसके बारे में सोच कर फिर हम उसको लिख के फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं। और ये रूल तब तक चलता रहता है जब तक कि डिविडेंड से कोई नया नंबर उतारने के लिए ना करें। दैट मींस जब डिविडेंड से उतारने के लिए कोई नंबर नहीं बचता तो हम कहते हैं कि वो लास्ट जो मेरा नंबर है वो मेरा रिमाइंडर है। Okay, so today we did that division by the 3-digit number and the division by the 4-digit number. Okay, now the next topic will be on the next class. So till then we continue to for the next video. Thank you.